camera allows you to live edit, so your viewers will get a virtual multi-camera experience. The top right window is your live shot window. You can tap and drag to move it. In the Camera Assistant menu, you may choose to set the Mevo app to automatically find people and live edit by itself. With the Find People selection, the app will automatically identify faces and set auto trackers. With the autopilot function, the app will reference these auto trackers and then cut as your subjects move and talk. For the best automatic experience, we recommend turning on both features. The autopilot will cut with all available virtual cameras and provide a better storytelling experience for your viewers. If you want to manually direct your live event, turn off autopilot. To create a tracker and crop your shot, tap and hold. To move a tracker that you set, tap, hold, and reposition. To remove a yellow tracker, tap and hold until it disappears. We recommend setting trackers before going live. To cut wide, tap on the wide shot icon at the bottom right. To cut to a close-up, tap on the screen. To pan while in close-up, tap and move your crop rectangle to your next subject. Hold your finger on the box when you end your pan in order to set the length of time you want the camera to pan. If you want your pan to take 3 seconds, hold the box at the end of the pan for 3 seconds. To zoom, pinch with 2 fingers. Then move the blue box closer to your subject. Hold the pinch in its final position in order to set the length of time you want the camera to zoom. If you want your zoom to last 3 seconds, hold your pinch at the end for 3 seconds. Tap and move with 2 fingers to pan live. This is good for following live action events like sports.